Hello everybody, I've just bought myself a Volkswagen T5 camper van. It's about 10 years old, so it doesn't have any equipment, doesn't have Bluetooth, or it doesn't have any way of connecting to a phone. So I'm really keen to be able to use my mobile phone to use things like satellite navigation and online music, so things like Google Maps and Spotify. So I have looked around and I've come up with what hopefully is a cost-effective solution to allow me to do this. Now the first thing I've purchased is I've purchased a Brodit car mounting kit. Now as you can see, this is a camper van specific one, and these are really great. I've used them in the past in other cars. The trouble is you buy the mount and then you have to then buy a different adapter to fit phones. So if you've got various phones or you change your phones, sometimes you might have to buy another adapter, which can work out quite expensive. So hopefully with this video I'll show you how to make a cost-effective mount for your phone. So I bought a Brodit car mount kit, as I originally said. These is with the delivery. This was about £18.50 direct from Brodit. Now my plan is to put these little magnets on. So all of the links for what I've bought will be in the comments below. But what I've bought is I bought these magnets, and what they'll do is they're double-sided. So I'll be able to stick them on to the case like this, and then using a standard metal plate that you can get from eBay or Amazon, it'll allow the phone case to stick on to onto the mount. So what you then buy is you buy a spare one of these. I've got a Nexus 2 phone, so this is my original one, and this is the one I've got. It's a little bit worn around the edges because it's been sat in my car and it's quite hot at the moment. So all you do is when you get into the car, you swap the phone over to this mount, which this holder, which you keep in the car. So what I will do is I will come back once I've fitted the magnets and show you. So I'm back. I've decided to just go with 5 magnets. You get 10 in a pack, but it's so strong that I thought 5 would be good enough. So as you can see, strong enough. And if when I fit my phone there are still problems with it, then I can still fit another 2 magnets here, or even take this one off and put 4 on. So that's my plan. So I'll come back to you as I'm fitting it in the van. Okay, so here it is in situ. The instructions are quite straightforward. You basically use this tag to flip up the back of the case. It's got a little bit of tape on the back of the bar. You flip it over like that, and then you hook it under the air vent. Push it back down, and then that then allows you to just push that in place. So the other thing I bought is a FM transmitter, FM Bluetooth transmitter that goes into the cigarette lighter, and it gives you 2 USB ports to charge your phones. I think it's a total of about 5 amps, so you can charge one phone on sort of high power and the other phone on sort of low power, but it will keep 2 phones charged, or charge 2 phones. And how they basically work is you push them in. As you can see, the FM frequency on the adapter is set at 108, and then what I've done is I've tuned in my radio to a similar similar FM frequency, obviously ideally one that's not used in your local area, and then what that allows you to do is your phone will then Bluetooth connect to this device, and then anything that's played on your phone will play over an FM signal and be captured by your radio, and then play through the headphone or the speakers in the car. So it's a great way of listening to music on Spotify or Apple Music, or directions within Google Maps, all of those things. So it's a really good addition to the car mount. Right, and there you have it, all lined up, working. As you can see, playing from Spotify, and you can do your phone and directions, or using Google Android or Apple CarPlay. I hope you've enjoyed the video, and I hope you get as much fun out of your new camper van as I hopefully am. Speak to you soon.